Right now, I am in the woods in Maine. Maine is a state up north. It is fall in Maine. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Fall in Maine is a little bit cold, so I'm wearing long sleeves. I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt. There are a lot of dry leaves on the ground. In the fall up north, some of the leaves change color. Some of the leaves are yellow. Some of the leaves are orange and red. Some trees always stay green. These are called evergreen trees. The wind blows through the trees and makes the leaves fall to the ground.